Alright, now we're going to do the Natural Born Killers Digibook. I haven't seen this since I was a boy. Really. And this was only $9.98 or $6 on Amazon. So yeah. It says this is the R-rated version, but I don't see an R-rated box anywhere. But you got the Warner Brothers logo, the Blu-ray disc. My neck still hurts, guys. I'm so sorry. It is 119 minutes. Commentary, introduction by Oliver Stone, additional scenes, alternate ending, The Charlie Rose Show, interview segment, soundtrack remastered, Dolby Digital True HD 5.1, theatrical trailer. Did this come off? Yes, it does. Of course, there's some residue on the back, which I'll get to at a later date. But right now, this is just the unboxing. I guess because it's so old and it's stuck so long. I'll get it off, don't worry. There's CM Punk's little symbol, kind of. Natural Born Killers. You have this right here. Woody Harrelson. That. Woody Harrelson. Juliette Lewis. Robert Downey Jr. Wow. Tommy Lee Jones. Forgot Tommy Lee Jones is even in this movie. Tom Sizemore. Got a good all-star cast going on. Oliver Stone. Trivia. America's Tradition of Violence. Natural Born Killers. I'm just reading that. Yeah, it's been a long day, guys. Been watching the shuttle reach the Science Center. Been up since 5 in the morning. Director's notes. Oh my god. It never gets easy, guys. At least not for me. And the credits. And the Natural Born Killers Blu-ray disc. And there it is on the back. And just this came out the back. Don't really care what this is. So yeah, that was just my quick unboxing of the Natural Born Killers Blu-ray Digibook. Let me know what y'all think. Did y'all got this? Did y'all like the movie? Did y'all hate it? For my Blu-ray update, I'm gonna try and get this off of here. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Later.